www.worldwideentertainmenttv.com. Log on. El Verano. Raggo Zulu Rebel. Politics. I'm sure you heard the drama with Mr. Vegas and him saying basically that people like Drake and as such are turned into culture vultures because they come and take from the dancehall, but then they don't necessarily return the credit. They're coming out with this stuff like Tropical House. It's Tropical House. You've borrowed some dancehall cultured influence to make hip hop, and there's nothing wrong with it because, as we said, it comes hand in hand. It's like a sister and a brother kind of. But in the same breath, give credit where it's due, so that the artist from the culture can shine, as opposed to a bunch of other people pretending or kind of putting on the suit. It's like Carnival. You put on the masquerade suit and then you take it off and then...
I agree with what you're saying. I love the mix and I love that it's becoming mainstream, but I feel like people should give their credit to
where it's due.
Yeah, to where it's due. And
also though, I think the dancehall artists have a responsibility to themselves not to just to sell out at every jump. Whenever someone's trying to work with you or whenever someone that's going to give you... like, you have to kind of negotiate on your own terms. So I feel that could... But then that's business, and as they grow as people, a lot of them are young artists, as they grow they'll learn. It's a wrap. Oh, we're done.
Have anything else you want to discuss?
Basically, no. Just go check out the website www.com and Raggo Zulu Rebel. That's me, man. Peace, love, hair, grease, little tip. Give me a high five. Boom. Listen to the theme music. From a little kid, she used to dream music. Something for the kids, we need some clean music. Adults also over 18's music. Cause everybody in the world need music. Even a deaf, dumb and blind man can read music. And every superhero needs a theme music. So everybody scream for Little T's music. See you, my dear.